Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, all of you. Zehra,
Yes, sir. Good morning, sir.
What was that?
Sir, that was my parrot.
You have a parrot?
Yes, sir.
Very nice. He speaks.
Yes,
Matlab,
sir. He speaks.
he, whatever he speaks. He talks in Hindi or in English.
Sir, a lot he talks in Hindi, but we are trying to teach him English.
Okay. Can you ask him to speak something in Hindi?
Good morning, sir.
Sir, is on his moods. Whenever he's on
It
in
depends
his
on his.
mood.
Okay. It depends on his
Sir, I'm
mood.
trying to teach my dog etiquette.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, beta. Sorry, I'm trying to teach.
My dog etiquettes because he's like so well mannered,
Nishu,
so
Nishu,
well
Nishu.
mannered. Yes, sir.
Nishu,
So the
start your
reason is
video.
sir, just starting it. There is some
Ah.
issue. So
Ah.
the reason is he's a street dog, so that's why he's not trained well. So it's just a very thing. He's very
Okay.
ill mannered.
Try
So I'm
to
trying to teach safety.
try to teach him English also, Nishu. I want to see your dog is speaking in English.
So he's a dog.
नहीं मजाक कर रहा हूँ.
Sir,
I'm
Kibla
joking.
also have the parrot.
She also has a
Sir,
parrot.
I'm trying to
Yes,
teach
sir.
him
They
to
both send
speak
videos.
Okay. Very nice. Chalo, let's start. Oh, this is a reasoning class.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Have we completed our syllabus in reasoning? What we did in the last class? Can you tell me some questions?
Coding.
Sir,
So
coding,
coding and
decoding.
decoding.
Coding and decoding. Yes.
Yes.
We started coding and decoding in the last class, I think. Okay, I'm again writing these letters A, B, C,
Sir,
D,
we were doing
E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, I.
Morning, sir.
Okay, so this is the question. Sorry, this is your ABCD. I have written. I will be giving you a question based on coding and decoding. Numbers भी लिख देता हूँ मैं यहाँ पर 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. Do you all remember कि क्या करते हैं coding decoding में?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very good.
You give us the code and we have
Based
to
on
decode it.
alphabets.
Yes. Okay. So I am going to give you the first question. Today's first question. So let's start with the word
So nest and eggs.
sorry, which word?
Nest and nest and eggs. That means
Nest and eggs. नहीं eggs में दो जी आ रहे हैं इसलिए मैं eggs नहीं लूंगा. Nest तो ले सकते हैं. Nest लेकिन छोटा word है.
so nest and birds.
Birds and nest. चलो.
Sir, butter and bread.
So salt
Sir,
and
butter
pepper, salt and pepper.
Sir,
चलो
butter
nest.
and bread.
छोटा सा ही word ले लिया. Nest. Nest का code I will tell you. You have to tell me the code for the word bird. ठीक है. I will give you the code of the word nest and I want you all to give your answer in the chat box. थोड़ा सा दिमाग
Okay,
लगाना
sir.
पड़ेगा.
Okay,
इतना
sir.
इजी नहीं दूंगा मैं. I am slowly going to increase the level. Okay. So please give your answers in the chat box. उसके बाद I will check कि कितने बच्चों ने सही answers दिए हैं. Okay. So the code for the word nest is the code for the word nest is UTFO. Find the code for the word bird. Give your answer in the chat box. Crack the code and then do the coding for the word bird. 2 मिनट का टाइम दे रहा हूँ. थोड़ा दिमाग लगाना पड़ेगा. I have got only one answer yet. एक ही आंसर आया अभी तक. Okay. 1 minute more. 1 मिनट और दे रहा हूँ. जल्दी करो. Okay. So two students have given correct answer. और दो तीन बच्चों ने और आंसर
Sir,
दिया, but
whom?
that is not correct. दो स्टूडेंट ने सही आंसर दिया है. The first one to give the correct answer is Sania Alam. Absolutely correct answer. And the second one who has given the correct answer is Vrinda Khandelwal. Very good, both of you.
So that was somewhat easy.
Easy.
Sir, I thought it is easy because we do opposite. It is written N
हाँ.
after O, then O is written in last. E after F,
जिसको
F is
समझ
written in
में
last.
जिसको समझ में आ जाता है, जिसका आंसर आ जाता है उसको
So
इजी
what
लगता
is
है.
the answer?
Let me tell you first.
Answer is Sat, may I tell?
हाँ, what is the answer? Tell.
ESGC.
ESJC. So can I tell why?
Wait. मैं बता रहा हूँ. So नेस्ट का जो कोड है वो कैसे बनाया? पहले आप वर्ड को उल्टा कर लीजिए. NSEN बना लो. TSEN, सॉरी, TSEN. वर्ड को उल्टा कर दो. TSEN. ठीक है. नाउ TSEN में बस सारे लेटर्स का नेक्स्ट, सारे अल्फाबेट्स का नेक्स्ट लेटर ढूंढ लो. E का नेक्स्ट लेटर क्या होता है? U. S का नेक्स्ट लेटर T. E का नेक्स्ट लेटर F. N का नेक्स्ट लेटर O. UTFO. कोड फॉर TSEN आ गया.
Sir, I was going for tables.
एंड
So
बर्ड.
if it would be NST, then it will be UFO.
UFO हो जाता. बर्ड का कोड है. बर्ड के लिए सबसे पहले वर्ड को उल्टा कर दीजिए. DRIB. ड्रिब. अब इसमें नेक्स्ट लेटर लिख दो. D के बाद E. R के बाद S. I के बाद J. B के बाद C. ESJC. Understood? All of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
चलो कोई बात नहीं. दैट इज व्हाई वी डू प्रैक्टिस. इसीलिए हम लोग प्रैक्टिस और ये जो पढ़ा रहे हैं उसका फायदा क्या है?
Actually,
when you
yesterday I have
when
actually
you
yesterday I was just doing
see
this
when
only,
you
so
see.
that's why I was practicing.
Okay. So when you see these type of questions in your exam, I know that you all will be able to do, because अब तो हम लोग प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हैं. So in the exams अगर मैं थोड़ा बहुत चेंज अगर करूंगा भी क्वेश्चन में, then I know that you all will do it easily. Okay. चलिए next. The word is Mohit, and you have to do the coding for the word Sagar. Okay.
Sir, you can also place Ganga.
Ganga. Ganga.
Sagar.
सागर. गंगा. सही बात है. चलो मोहित का कोड है O R, sorry, O Q H P R. O Q H G R. नहीं,
Sir, I
not
got it.
H. Sorry. हाँ सही है. चलो
The
O Q H
easiest
G
one.
R. Give your answer in the chat box.
So sent. Sir, send it.
Okay.
Sir, send it.
Sent. Sent.
So the one which I have sent, I by mistakenly wrote the wrong one. I'm just sending it again.
Sir, whom send you
Me
first?
too.
Just wait. Let's see if anyone is
Excuse me, sir.
left. Hanji.
Sir, can you please explain the nest and bird one, because I got disconnect at that time when you were explaining.
Kibla, can you see the recording?
Okay, sir.
If you will see the recording, मुझे भी थोड़े अपने videos पे views मिल जाएंगे, जिसका मुझे कुछ नहीं करना है.
Okay, sir.
सर आप मेरी वीडियो के व्यूज बढ़ा दीजिए.
आपके videos,
Sir,
you
आप
have a
मेरी भी बढ़ा दीजिए.
Sir, I
YouTube,
watched.
you have a
Yes,
YouTube
sir. I
channel.
have a YouTube channel. Yes, sir.
What
Related
kind of
to I
videos
watched.
related to dance?
Sir, you,
You send me the link of your YouTube channel.
Sir, my old.
okay, sir. So I used to watch her videos from 3 devices. First my laptop, second my TV, and
Sir,
third
I
my
have
phone.
Sir, I have
Wow.
subscribed all. Sir, from my all devices. Sir,
Yes,
My
sir,
channel.
same from different channels also.
My channel or
Sir, Bhakti
Nishwa's
is saying
channel?
that I will also.
So both.
Both. What
Sir,
is
me
Bhakti saying?
also. Sir, she has opened a channel, but she till now she has not sent any video. Yesterday only she opened that.
Okay.
So I will send you the link. So I think it is Games Hub. Yes, sir, Games Hub.
Okay, so I am telling you the answer of this one. मोहित में सबसे पहले we have written added 2. पहले m में 2 ऐड करो, m plus 2 o पे पहुंच गए, o plus 2 q आ गया. अब जो h जो लेटर आया मिडिल में जो लेटर है उसके लिए हमने कोई कोड नहीं करा, वो सेम लिख दिया h. ओके. आई के में हमने जब h के बाद की जो लेटर है यानी कि लास्ट 2 लेटर्स उसमें +2 नहीं करा, उसमें -2 करा है. सो +2 देन नो चेंज एंड देन -2 ये है कोडिंग. ठीक है, ये हमने कैसे किया, +2 करके ये +2 करके इसमें कोई चेंज नहीं करा, यहाँ पर -2 एंड यहाँ पे -2. समझ में आ गया क्या करा? ऐसे करके आपको कोड मिल जाएगा. तो सेम यही यहाँ पर करते हैं सागर में. सागर में s में
No,
+2
but
करो
in H
u.
you have so but in the Mohit H you have not done anything.
हाँ
You have
लिखा
just
तो है,
copied like this.
not done
Okay.
anything. So s +2 u आ गया, a +2 c आ गया, g को ऐसे ही लिख देंगे. a में अब क्या करना है, -2 करना है. -2 a में करोगे तो y पे जाओगे, 2 लेटर्स पीछे जब जाएंगे a से तो a के पीछे z
So
आएगा,
it
z
is
के
just
पीछे
like
y.
negative. So
हाँ
it is just like negative and positive number line.
हाँ.
So just the positive is on the place of negative and negative on the place of positive.
सो r के में -2 करेंगे तो p आ जाएगा. सो आंसर इज UCGYP. बताओ किसने सबसे पहले आंसर दिया है?
Yes, sir,
The
please.
first one to give the correct answer. वैसे तो बच्चों ने आंसर दिए हैं लेकिन कुछ का गलत भी है. First one to give the correct answer is Aryan Kumar. Excellent, very good. outstanding, marvelous, terrific, and UCGYP. सेकंड कौन है? अर्नव शुक्ला सेकंड.
Sir, I have sent. Sir, which number I have sent? On which number?
You have sent QCGYP. आपने U की जगह Q लिख दिया बस. Otherwise your
So
answer
that's
would
why
be
only
correct.
I was thinking that why is my answer wrong?
हाँ, तुमने एक छोटी सी मिस्टेक कर दी है. Then after Arnav Shukla, after Arnav, there is no one. Soumya has given the answer. Then Soumya. Very good. Next question. Ready, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
चलिए, ये वाला तो थोड़ा इजी था. Okay, next. Plant and
Sir, is coding and decoding just for alphabetic order? So is it also for numeric order?
you can code the word in numbers also. Numbers वाला एक question शायद मैंने कराया ना? Numbers
Yes,
वाला
sir,
कोई
sir,
question
just one or two.
हाँ,
Yes,
so
sir.
ज़्यादा वैसे mostly it is converted in from alphabet to alphabet only. Numbers वाले ऐसे इतनी often आते नहीं हैं. Okay, so the code for the word plant is V R N C P. VRNCP. Find the code for the word light.
So this is something difficult.
Little bit. Only 11 participants. What about the rest of the students? कहाँ गए आज सारे बच्चे?
So they come in one class, they leave the one class. It's just like that. The one which they feel interested, they just join the class.
Then
Okay.
in last evening class, there is 23 students.
So I
23.
think because yesterday there so before there were many holidays, then many people
they-
used to
they-
come
they
with
are
Monday
still in the
blues, but today is
holiday
Tuesday, so
mode.
they will. Yes,
Students
sir.
are still in holiday mode. Huh?
So my sister can't also attend the classes because she's not well.
She's not well.
Yes, sir.
Your elder sister or Bhakti?
No, sir. Sir, she's in class 3rd.
She's in class 3rd. Younger one.
Sir, just my friends know her.
Okay.
Sir, I sent you the link.
Yes. Tell me. Have you all done?
No, sir.
I didn't.
Sir, I didn't understand this.
Sir, answer just
So just 1 minute.
Sir, I can't able to understand this only.
नो प्रॉब्लम, थोड़ा सा दिमाग लगाओ.
थोड़े से ज्यादा दिमाग.
Sir, please wait for 2 minutes. Then I got
Yeah.
it how to do.
Sir, do you know what is the meaning of B?
Sorry.
Sir, do you know what is the meaning of alphabet B?
Meaning of alphabet.
B.
Sorry, speak a little louder.
Sir, V.
V for violet. V for
So
Vrinda.
she is saying, do you know the meaning of alphabet V?
What
Sir,
is the meaning
it
of?
means victory. Sir, it means victory. There were a queen in very early days. Her name is Victoria. So all people used to say V.
Okay.
Have you ever think about the pronunciation of W?
It is W. W.
W. Sir? Yes, sir. So W. So when we will make W, then it will become W. So I don't know. I didn't listen anywhere. I was thinking one day and I just thought about it.
Yes. Okay, I am telling the code. No one has answered, I think. Correct आंसर किसी का भी नहीं है, मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है. 2-3 बच्चों ने आंसर भेजा है.
So I'm just sending. So I'm just sending.
Aryan Kumar has sent the answer, but Aryan, this is not the correct one. नहीं, let me think. I think Aryan, your answer is absolutely correct. Aryan Kumar has given the correct answer. Only one student. Very good. Excellent.
Sir, I have
Outstanding.
sent it. I don't know if this would, it is correct or not.
I didn't understand.
तो
Yes,
देखो,
this is a bit
I don't also
confusing.
understand.
plant इसमें ये टी को उठा करके स्टार्टिंग में लिख दो बस. टी पी लास्ट लेटर को उठा के फर्स्ट में लिख दो बस. TPLAN. नाउ यू कोड इट. +2 करते जाओ सब में, सारे लेटर में +2
Sir,
+2
this is
+2
not
+2
allowed.
कर. T+2 is V. P+2 is R. L+2 is N. C+2 is E. Sorry, क्या था? नहीं, not C.
So I have taken any other
A
logic
plus 2
only.
is C. A+2 is C. N+2 is P. तो यहाँ पर अभी आपको लाइट को लिखना है, LIGHT। तो वही लास्ट लेटर को पहले कर दो, TLIGH, T+2 V, L+2 N, I+2 K, G+2, 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 G+2 I, and H+2 is equal to J. V and Kij. Got it?
Yes, sir, got it.
Sir, just a single letter is correct. Sir, just a single letter. Sir, N. Set is on the same place, just a single letter.
Okay.
So in my logic, it is like we have you have added in V you have added 6, then in R you have added 5 letters, then 13,
Sir,
then
same.
15, then 22. I have
Yes,
done
sir,
like that.
I
only.
am
In the
also
answer, I
like
did TW.
Sir,
I
same,
did
I
with that
think
with
so.
that method only,
Sir,
but
like,
I just did
Sir, I
something.
did
It was
with
like
that method only.
reverse
Sir,
of
but I was
everything.
not
sir, I
satisfied.
also T minus
Sir, I
1
I
equal
did
to
reverse
V.
of
satisfied
everything.
by that
Like this
answer.
type. Sir,
Hmm.
in I I forgot that how to do because there is N.
चलो कोई बात नहीं.
So I think in the
At least
previous one I was doing like this only.
you
So in the
you
previous one I was.
you all tried your best, no problem. कोई बात नहीं. Let's see the next one. Same words, coding में थोड़ी सी different कर रहा हूँ. Same words, okay? K O Z, easy है ये. M G, KOZMG. Send your answer in the chat box.
Sir, I got it.
Sir, I got it. Sir, can you give 2 more minutes?
Yes. 1 minute.
Sir, I sent you one to my answer.
I can give 1 more minute.
So I'm just sending.
So again, it's happening with me that I'm trying to send you the answer, but it shows that you're not in the meeting.
Maybe some network issue. चलो बेटा मैं करा रहा हूँ.
Sir,
Sir,
please
just
wait,
sending
I
the
found
answers,
it.
typing. Sir, just done. So send.
Many of you have got the correct answer of this one. देखो जल्दी से. ये अपोजिट पोजीशन वाले लेटर्स को लिखना है बस. P की अपोजिट पोजीशन पर K है. देखो लेटर्स मैंने इसलिए ऐसे लिखवाए थे. Do you know that P is 16th letter from the starting? P की पोजीशन स्टार्टिंग से क्या है? 16th है. अब जब हम कोडिंग कर रहे हैं तो हम 16th लेटर फ्रॉम द बैक, पीछे से 16th लेटर देखेंगे तो K आएगा. K. तो P का अपोजिट लेटर लिख दिया यहाँ पर K.
Sir, but I have.
L का L is 12 from the starting and from the behind अगर आप 12th लेटर देखेंगे that will be O. L का अपोजिट वाला. सेम ऐसी A के अपोजिट यहाँ पर देखिए Z है.
Sir,
अपोजिट पोजीशन. ऐसी आपको लाइट का कोड लिखना है. वेट अ मिनट. L का कोड O हो गया. I का कोड हो गया आपका. What is the code
sir,
for I?
the
R.
I.
sir, ORTSG. This is the answer.